there's more to this question than you realize. We do clean up, of course, but that doesn't mean that your yard may look perfect when we leave. Oftentimes, I compare ourselves to surgeons. We come in and do invasive surgery on your yard. And so there's going to be a time of recovery for your yard that requires some nurturing and cultivating. We try to explain that on each job, but sometimes we still have people that are very surprised that, hey, my yard doesn't look perfect. And so we have to guide them into, you need to fertilize, you need to tend your yard, tend your garden, and get it all flourishing again until you don't see that those scars. That being said, of course, we do everything we can to return the yard into completely usable state. In some cases, a customer can't afford for us to return it all the way to usable state. Let's say the whole yard needs to be regrassed. If they can afford for sodding, we will resod it, and then it's usable. But sometimes hydro seeding is the way to go. In some cases, we leave the stage set, and then it's their responsibility to go get the plants or whatever. In some cases, we'll put the plants in if they want to pay the extra for that. Typically, our line item for prepping for the job, which involves excavating, setting up, also includes general cleanup. So we'll wash off the driveway, blow off things. So the guys get in a hurry sometimes, and it's not perfect, but we really do our best to clean up after ourselves.